Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your interior lights. So there's two here, and then there's one on each side on the rear. But for these front ones, you just tap it with your finger. So there's not an actual button, it's just more like it senses your finger as you push it. So that's those. And then for these rear ones, as you can see, there's a button. I have to climb back there to show better. There's this button, so if you want it on there, if you want it to just sense when the door is open, that's that, and then just off. And then same with the opposite side. And then if you want a lot of light, just open this up with those controls right there. But anyways, I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.